Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a two-factor authentication, Google Authenticator, and a ByBit, guys. And it's really easy and simple. First things first, guys, you want to go to the account info page, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on settings at the bottom right here. And then, guys, what you want to be doing is you want to click on the send verification code once this pop-up comes up. And then what's going to happen, guys, is a verification code will be sent either to your registered email address or your registered mobile number. What you're going to do is you want to key in your verification code in this empty box and then just click on confirm. And if you're not able to receive the verification code by email, what you're going to do is you want to click on switch verification method. Or if you are having trouble with SMS as well, you can try to switch the verification method to the other option. Otherwise, what you can do is you can click on this option right here that says having problems with verification, and that will troubleshoot for you. Now, once you put in the verification code and click on confirm, what's going to happen is a pop-up window will pop up, which will show you a QR code. And you want to leave it untouched first while you're using your smartphone. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and download the Google Authenticator app from your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. Then what you want to do is you want to launch the Google Authenticator app inside your smartphone or tablet, and then tap on this icon right here, this plus icon, and then select scan a QR code. Now what you want to do, guys, this QR code right here, what you want to do is you want to scan that QR code, and what's going to happen is a 6-digit two-factor authentication code will randomly be generated inside your Google Authenticator app. You want to write down that recovery key phrase, this 6-digit code, and you want to store this, guys, securely inside an encrypted cloud server or inside another secure device or in the notes section in your phone. What you're going to do, guys, now is you want to enter the 6-digit code that will be then generated in your Google Authenticator app, and then you just want to click on confirm. And now, guys, you have successfully binded Google Authenticator to your ByBit account. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.